Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something relaxing, creative and beautiful hand embroidery. Whether you are a beginner or already love stitching, these embroidery ideas will inspire you to create something amazing with just a needle, thread and a bit of patience. Let's explore some easy and trendy embroidery ideas for 2025 that you can try at home. Hand embroidery is more than just decoration, it's an art form that contains patience, creativity, and tradition. It lets you to tell stories through stitches, add personality to your clothes, and make something truly unique. The best part, you don't need expensive tools, just some colorful threads, fabric, a hope, and your imagination. Embroidery is also unique. Many people say it helps them relax, calm their minds, and feel creative again. Here are some beautiful embroidery ideas that are trending this year, and they are perfect for beginners too. Floral embroidery designs, natural inspired patterns, animal line art, word or cute embroidery. Hand embroidery is not just for display, you can use it in so many creative ways. Add floral embroidery to your jeans and jackets for a trendy look. Stitch cute designs on tote bags or pillow covers for home decor. Personalize handkerchiefs, napkins or gifts with this embroidery. Creative wall hoops with your embroidery for home decoration. The possibilities are endless, and each piece you make is truly one of a kind. If you are just starting, don't worry, embroidery is easy. Once you get the basic, start with simple stitches like the running stitch or satin stitch. Use embroidery hoops to keep your fabric tight. Always thread your needle neatly and use short strands for better control. Choose soft cotton fabric, it's easier to work with, and most importantly, take your time and enjoy the process. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.